Hello, my name is Elha, and today I'd like to present to you a beautiful hairstyle appointment app called Stylishly. This app was my first project as a UX UI designer, and I'm proud to show you my design process. Stylishly is a responsive web app for booking hair salon appointments and virtual hairstyling consultations. As a UX designer, I observe people's behaviors. And very often, I see family members and friends being unhappy with their haircut or hairstyles. After coming back from the hair salon, I keep hearing them saying, "This is not what I wanted." And on top of that, when pandemic started, another type of hairstyling problem began. The hair salons were closed and people didn't know what to do with their hair. This is where I started thinking there must be a way to solve these frustrations. In order to get to know the problem better, I started studying the statistics to build up my framework. I did a SWOT analysis on the existing competitors and conducted survey and user interviews in order to get first-hand information on users' pain points. And I came to this idea that our users need a way to have immediate and easy access to a hair specialist because they need tailored solutions to their hair problems. Based on the interview results, I created two user personas that represent the project's target audience. I studied each persona's journey to finish a task such as booking an appointment. Studying the user's journey helped me deeply empathize with the users and understand their thoughts and feelings. In the ideation phase, I created a sitemap to build up the information architecture. And through paper sketches and mid-fidelity wireframes, I visualized the user flows by following their path step by step from onboarding to finish a certain task. After a few ideations on my wireframes, I created a mid to high fidelity clickable prototype to evaluate my solution for the existing problem. Right after, I conducted 7 rounds of remote moderated user testings and asked the participants to do certain tasks such as booking an appointment as a new user, log into the app as a returning user, and booking a virtual appointment while signed in. The results were truly impressive and gave me a clearer picture of how the users would interact with this app. And finally, after 9 iterations, doing a heuristic evaluation and checking the design accessibility, it was the time for implementing the final product and preparing the style guide for further design collaborations. Here's how I prepared the style guide with the color scheme, gradients, icons, buttons, and typography. The grids and language guidelines and the accessibility guidelines. Stylishly is designed for a variety of users, regardless of their age, gender, or ethnicity. The background images of the landing page will change according to the social events or occasions such as the Breast Cancer Awareness Month, November, or the Black History Month. At the beginning of this project, all I knew was that I wanted to solve a problem and help people choose their hairstyle with peace of mind. During the project, I managed to get to know my users and their frustrations. I tried to address the miscommunication problems by giving the option to the users to have a virtual consultation with their stylist before the appointment. The final prototype of this project is now live on designbyelham.com, and you can experience booking a hairstyling appointment or a virtual consultation for yourself, and don't forget to send me your feedback.